Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to open a Betterment account. If you're looking to grow your investments with a user-friendly robo-advisor, Betterment is a fantastic choice. It's an automated platform that helps you invest smartly, with low fees and personalized advice. Let's get started. First things first, what is Betterment? It's an online investment service that uses algorithms to manage your portfolio. It's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a hands-off approach to building wealth. To open an account, you'll need a computer or smartphone, a valid email, and some basic personal info. Make sure you're at least 18 years old and have your social security number handy for verification. Step 1. Head over to the Betterment website at betterment.com. You'll see a big Get Started button. Click that to begin. Next, sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. If you have a referral link, use it for some bonus perks. Step 2. Fill out your personal details. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Betterment will walk you through this securely, so don't worry about privacy. They'll also ask about your financial goals, like saving for retirement or a house, to tailor your investments. Step 3. Verify your identity. This might involve linking a bank account or uploading ID. It's a quick process to ensure everything's legit and protect against fraud. Once you're verified, choose your account type. Betterment offers options like a standard taxable account, IRA, or Roth IRA. Pick what fits your needs, and decide how much to invest initially. Start small if you're new. Finally, fund your account. Link your bank and transfer money in. Betterment will automatically diversify your investments based on your risk tolerance. Boom! You're all set. A few tips. Always double-check your info for accuracy, and consider reading Betterment's educational resources to maximize your experience. Remember, investing involves risks, so only use money you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Open your Betterment account today and start building your future. See you next time.